video, we'll take you through the top 10 places to visit in Kashmir that will leave you mesmerized. Srinagar. Srinagar, the capital of Kashmir, is known for its beautiful lakes, Mughal Gardens, and houseboats. The famous Dal Lake is a must-visit, where you can take a shikara ride and explore the floating markets. The Mughal Gardens, like Shalimar Bagh and Nishat Bagh, are perfect for a picnic and offer a stunning view of the mountains. Gulmarg. Gulmarg is a paradise for adventure enthusiasts, offering skiing, snowboarding, and cable car rides. The scenic views of the snow-capped peaks from the cable car are breathtaking. In summer, you can enjoy trekking and golfing. Pahalgam. Pahalgam is a scenic valley known for its glistening streams, meadows, and the Lidar River. It's an ideal destination for trekking, camping, and trout fishing. The stunning views of the Himalayas from here are a treat to the eyes. Sonmarg. Sonmarg, also known as the Meadow of Gold, is a picturesque destination with stunning glaciers, lakes, and mountains. It's a popular spot for adventure sports like trekking, camping, and skiing. Usmarg. Usmarg is a hidden gem in Kashmir, known for its pristine beauty and tranquil surroundings. The meadows, forests, and hills offer an escape from the bustling city life. Leh. Leh is a beautiful destination situated in the Ladakh region of Kashmir. It's known for its scenic landscapes, Buddhist monasteries, and trekking trails. The Pangong Lake, located near Leh, is a popular tourist spot with its crystal-clear blue waters. Kupwara. Kupwara is a serene destination with beautiful valleys, meadows, and waterfalls. The Lolak Valley and the Bangas Valley are a must-visit for their stunning landscapes. Anantnag. Anantnag is a beautiful town known for its ancient temples, Mughal gardens, and scenic beauty. The Martand Sun Temple, built in 8th century, is a popular tourist spot. The Ajbal and Kokernaag Gardens are also worth visiting. Dudhpatri. Dudhpatri is a lesser-known destination, known for its lush green meadows and gurgling streams. The name Dudhpatri, which means Valley of Milk, comes from the frothy white streams that flow through the valley. Veerinag. Veerinag is a beautiful destination known for its natural springs and Mughal gardens. The Veerinag Spring, which is the source of the Jhelum River, is a popular tourist spot. The Mughal Gardens, like the Veerinag Garden and Ajbal Garden, are perfect for a relaxing day out. Kashmir is undoubtedly one of the most beautiful destinations in India. From snow-capped mountains to crystal-clear lakes, there is something for everyone. So, if you're planning a trip to Kashmir, make sure to visit these top 10 destinations that will leave you mesmerized.